What was really good about this event is I don't think it would have happened without the collaboration between both MINDERA and Waitrose. We really lent on each other's skills and technical ability to actually get where we needed to get to produce these amazing solutions. So we had both the product side of things with the ideation sessions and loads of really good, knowledgeable AI evangelists who could give us a hand from MINDERA around what exactly we were trying to solve as a problem and how that would best fit generative AI. But on the flip side, from a technical perspective, we also had a hand from MINDERA around actually producing some of the code samples and some of the examples that we could check in and make sure that the engineers could start faster. By giving them that sort of technology and working collaboratively with MINDERA across both our back-end engineers, front-end engineers, and also our platform teams, together we sort of produced a good pack to start with, which meant that the ideas that we got out could be done in a couple of days, as opposed to taking a much longer setup process. So really, really helpful, made a massive difference to what we could actually achieve in the time.